All right, what is going on, everybody? Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. Today we have the July 2020 releases for Gemini Jets. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive straight into it. Starting off with this Aeroflot Airbus A350-900. Let's take a look at that. Wow, that has some really good detail here on the winglets and the tail. Personally, I will not be picking that up, but if you do have it, if this aircraft does fly to your airport, I would recommend picking it up. The next one is a American 787-8. Um, okay. Here we go. Sorry for the delay there. I will be picking this up as it does fly to Honolulu, so I'm very excited that they release this. I'm just praying that they get the tint right on it so that I can pick it up. The next one is a Bamboo 787-9, which NG also released, so I would probably get the NG version if I were you, but I don't think it really matters too much. This has fantastic detail on the aircraft, as you can see, the blue engines, the green tail. It all looks great. The next one is the British Airways 787-10 Dreamliner. Let's take a look at that. Very, very gorgeous. It has a nice blue bottom and the blue engines with the red and blue tail on the back. I would pick that one up if it does fly to your airport because I know this is already going to be a fantastic model. Next, we have a Delta Airbus A321. I might pick this up because my other one is broken, unfortunately. This does look very good. Registration is N327DN. Very nice detail. So yeah, I might pick that one up. The next one is a Gulf Air 787-9 Dreamliner. This is in the 70th anniversary, and as you can see, it has very nice detail throughout the aircraft with the 70th anniversary on the back and some more text down here that unfortunately I can't read because I'm not that good at seeing stuff that's in small tint. The next one is the Lufthansa A350-900. If I did not pick up the Phoenix one, I would definitely pick this one up because it does look extremely good. And they do fly to Denver, so that is very nice. I'd pick this one up if you need it. It looks very well. Next, we have the Polar Air Cargo 747, sorry, dash 8F, and this has the opening and closed door configuration, which they seem the interactive series. This looks fantastic, and I will try to pick this up if they do fly to Honolulu. I will have to do a little research on that because I'm not entirely sure if they fly to Honolulu or not. The next one is a SAS Airbus A320neo. Let's take a look at that. It looks very well. The engines do look a bit big. That could just be the picture, but I hope that they are not too big because that would be a real bummer if they were. Next, we have my personal favorite. This is a United 767-300. This is in the beautiful, beautiful new livery. Um, I'm not entirely sure if United is retiring these. If they are, I won't be picking it up. If they're not, I will be picking it up. So yeah, very gorgeous right here. Next, we'll move on to the 1-200 releases because I do know I have some fellow 1-200 collectors. Starting off with the Aeromexico DC-9. This looks very nice. Obviously, I don't collect 1-200, so I can't say I'll be picking it up or not picking it up. But if I did collect 1-200, I'd definitely get this. Next, we have the Air Canada E175. This is $85, not too bad. Let's take a look at that. Very gorgeous. I'm glad it's in the new livery. So yeah, I'd pick this up if they fly to your airport because this will be a fantastic detail. And once again, this is 1-200. So yeah, same as the 1-400 one, the British Airways 787-10. It is $150, which is a bunch of money. But if you can't afford it, I would definitely get the 1-200 version. As you can see, it is very, very beautiful right here. All right, the next one is the Interjet Airbus A321neo. This looks like a very nice model. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, I actually was going to get one of these right before I quit doing LAX. So yeah, very, very nice 1/200 scale model. I do love the amount of detail that Gemini Jets does on the 1/200. I would pick up some if they had a special meaning, but I would not pick it up just for the sake of it. The next one is a TAP Portugal Airbus A310, $122. I'm not sure if this aircraft still flies, but if it does, I'd pick it up. It looks very nice with the new livery on it. And yeah, let's get on to the next one here. We have a United 727-200. I bet this is going to be a killer model, and I possibly might pick it up. It is $93 though. Let's take a look at that. Oh, wow, that looks really good. 727 Friendship, registration N7620U with the United logo on the back. That looks absolutely fantastic, and I would definitely get it if I were you. Here's the United 777-300. I'm assuming this isn't in the new livery. That would look very gorgeous if it was, but it is $145. Wow. If only they could release this in 1/400. If only. Gemini Jets, if you're watching this, you got some stuff to do. This would look fantastic on a 1/400 livery or in a 1/400 plane, if you will. Here we have the Vietnam Airlines 787-10 Dreamliner. This is $150 as well. Wow, that looks really, really good. I didn't even know they had the Dash 10. So yeah, if you guys are collecting 1/200, this looks like a fantastic model to pick up. And the last one for today is a Volaris A321neo for a total of $94. Let's take a look at that. Wow. I would pick this up if I knew that the engines weren't going to be the size of 10 watermelons. But if you guys want to, go for it. I'm just warning you, the engine could possibly be very big. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this. I'm sorry it was kind of shorter and unexpected, but overall these releases are very good. And I'm sorry if the mic quality is really bad. I just need to work on getting some new equipment for the channel. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.